Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bio 11. I am Professor Stevens, and I'm going to be the instructor. I'm going to be guiding you, sort of grading. I'll be doing a lot of grading with your experience on Canvas of the lab part of the class. Let's see, what about me? I'm a botanist by passion and by academic pursuit. I have a little micro flower farm too, a little side business because I love, love, love the plant world. I'm also teaching a plant materials and uses class here at PCC, as well as a botany class at College of the Canyons this semester. So I got a lot on my plate, but it's stuff I love. I'm here to make sure that you succeed in this class. It's really my reason for being here, besides all the other reasons like a job and a paycheck. But I feel quite strongly that the content in this class is fantastic. I really delight in teaching it. I didn't create it, so I'm not like, I'm so good. It was created by people who really care about pedagogy, like how to make things accessible, how to help students to succeed, and how to make things relevant to their lives. And I think that you'll find it's really, really well done. And I feel like there's so much going on in the world right now, and that often our lack of good critical thinking skills and science education is a deficit in our culture. And this is a class that I feel like it pushes against that. It really creates light and wisdom and intelligence and critical thinking where we need it so badly. So I want you to get through this class. I want you to feel great and confident about what you've learned here, and then go out into the world and share your good critical thinking with your families and friends. Anyway, so how can you communicate with me about things that I've graded, stuff like that? How will I communicate with you? Please make sure that you know how to check the comments on assignments, and that's something that will go out in an announcement, I think the first or the second week. Please check your announcements. Make sure in that first, I think the welcome letter, it will tell you how to make sure that your notifications for Canvas are set so they go to an email that you actually read. It's important. So read those announcements, read the emails that get sent from your instructors. Visit us during office hours and ask questions. Please, we're here for you. That's absolutely true of all the instructors that I know at PCC. Take advantage of that. So anything else? Yes, good luck in the course. Science can be like a foreign language. It's a lot of stuff. It's pretty fast. So please, stay on top of things. Don't wait until like the day before stuff is due to get it started. Like if you can get everything done by Wednesday, that would be so great, because then if you have questions, you have multiple days to try to figure it out or ask for help or stuff like that. So try to, as much as possible, stay on the stay working on things in advance of when they're due. Don't let stuff sneak up on you, because life happens, and it's much better to have stuff done than to have the thing happen and then you also have to scramble and make up work later or whatever. Anyway, so my advice is to not procrastinate, be on top of things, and be in communication, and then be open to learning some really, really cool content. I hope we have a great journey this term, semester, whatever it is. We'll see you at the back end in June, which seems so far away, but really isn't. And I'm excited to be on this trip with you.